Hi everyone. So one day I was sitting in my surgery, my dental surgery, and a lady comes in with a crown that's fallen off, a dental crown. She brought in a nice little container that looks something like this, and she said to me she doesn't know where to get them from anymore. So I thought to myself, do you know what? Let me set myself the challenge and see if I can 3D print one. It looked exactly like this, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did it. I've decided I'm going to go ahead and print this bottle in PETG. It's a filament that's really widely used. I've not experimented with it too much, to be fair, so I thought this would be a good place to start. This is a lovely solid blue spool from eSun. Looks lovely, and I think the bottle looked really nice in this. And for this we're going to be using our recently assembled Mark IV. Just going to take the USB out, get it uploaded, and we should be able to start the print soon. Alright guys, so we've got our filament loaded up. Our smooth sheet's been cleaned with IPA. STL's been loaded, so let's go ahead and hit print and let's get this baby going. Right guys, so that's the print done. At first glance it's looking lovely. Let's get it off the plate, and it's a moment of truth now. So a little bit of stringing, but that'll go off with a little bit of heat, that's not a problem. Perfect. That's fitting absolutely perfectly. Lovely finish there. I quite like this blue actually. I wasn't sure at first, but it's come out looking pretty great. But let me know in the comments if you guys want me to try a different colour. Maybe we could do the lid and the base 2 different colours. But for now I'm off to get rid of all that stringing. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave some comments below. Let me know what other projects you want me to make, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks again guys, bye.